What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pop Clutch. We are back with another video. In today's video I will be going to go pick up some new struts. I know a lot of y'all like, what? Didn't he just buy struts the last video? But I made a post looking for some 10 to 12 Bilstein struts or some 10 to 12 Fox coilovers. I've been searching, I've been looking, and nobody had any, but a guy did reach out and he had some 10 to 12 Bilstein struts. He told me that one of the struts on the driver's side need to be rethreaded. So with that being said, I'm gonna still buy them for only $100. That's a good deal. So I apologize for the noise going on over there. I know somebody with the other side.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
What's going on?
You ready to go buy these struts?
I'm ready. On the interstate.
Alright, bet. Well, we waiting on you.
Alright, bet. I'll be there in a minute.
This not good. He said he there, and I haven't even left the house yet, y'all. I'm still at home. I got an hour and 30-minute drive. Before we get into today's video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to try to do best. Follow me on Instagram at Poppin' Clutches. Make sure you purchase your giveaway tickets for $24. You can win some brand new KG120s by 16s.
Aye.
On 35, 15, 50 Furies. Make sure you also purchase your wood lights down below. The link be down in the description as well as in the comments. So go ahead and do that right now. Cole just made it here. Cole, we gotta go, bro. Oh my God, he think we're on the way right now.
You ready to go now?
Yeah. I told him we're an hour away. Ooh, big bags, huh? I see you.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
Alright guys, we made our first stop to the gas station. Somebody told me to try this drink and I think it's gonna be good, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I got me some barbecue chips. What you get? Ew, those nasty, bro.
I ain't never had this.
Oh yeah, you got one too? Yes sir, we gotta try it. We're gonna see if it's good. We'll tell you what we think. This fog is, I don't know what outside. How the drink was, it was good? You drank more than me. I don't like it that much.
I like strawberry lemonade. That's my favorite.
That's the only thing that's wrong with him right there.
Let me see. This side's smooth. I know somebody got another side. As you can see right here.
But you can cut that off, can't you? Just like weld a new one on there.
Yeah.
That's not safe.
Stick welds.
Nah, cause that weld break. It's over.
Not a
with.
stick weld, no.
Did you have these on your truck?
Yeah, because the bolt only goes about to there. If you bolting it all the way down there, it wouldn't even go that far.
Yeah.
You can see those ain't even been touched.
Yeah.
It only goes down to about there.
But I know somebody who got another side. This is 7-9 FTS. This is 7-9 Max Track. And look at the difference. This shit is huge. How far you live from here?
An hour and 30. You need them, so I was gonna bring them to you.
I appreciate that.
08 LTZ. I got new clears in it, put in it yesterday. 7 to 9 inch Max Track. Brand new 6 and 7 LTZs. Brutal straight snow cats. I got horn blasters horn.
Oh yeah.
But no, that's about it. I'm leaving it simple for right now.
So you trying to sell these LTZs?
Yeah.
How much you want for them?
35. Somebody come get them.
Let's go ahead and send you this money. I'm gonna go ahead and send you one-on-ones. I know the fee, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm gonna put it as a birthday gift because you know taxes.
Yeah.
So,
They actually do that.
yeah. Make sure you got it.
My snap don't believe I'm meeting you today.
What's up, y'all? What's up, Snapchat? Yes, sir. Oh, God. Look, he got the antenna on his truck and everything. Go ahead and fire it down, Cole. Go ahead and fire it down, Cole. Go ahead and fire it down, Cole. Golly. Does she like squatted trucks?
I mean, I get it.
Ask her, does she like squatted trucks?
Hey, Danielle.
What?
He want to know if you like squatted trucks.
Some of them.
So you think he should squat this one or no?
No.
Some of them just look like faggots.
Be safe, bro. I'll see you next
later,
time.
fam.
All right, man. Thank you. All right. I appreciate that, bro. Be safe. 4 times, huh?
I'll see you later.
All right, bro. We will be powder coating my lift kit today. Hopefully I can get this thing on this week because I want y'all to see it. And I want to see it as well. Let's just talk about them things real quick. Let's go over there. All right, guys. So this is a set of struts I just brought. They're 10 and 12 Bilstein. They're not new, but they're used. I don't know why they set at 2 different sizes. One is set at 12, one is set at 10. As you can see right here, one of the threads is messed up. I can't use this. I can't put this in my truck at all. It's like, I don't know. It's trash, you know what I'm saying? So I can't use that. But I have one good side, and I will be using this for my truck. So I'm gonna put this on. And I found somebody on Instagram. I have another set, and I brought it already, so it's at the shop. Big shout out to my guy right here because he had another 10 to 12 strut that I brought from him, and he got it here the next day. So big shout out to him.
Time's on top.
Golly, I'm sitting here waiting on Cole, and this man got pulled over.
I'll let you know how many tickets they give me. Well, here he comes right here.
Oh, this is it. I'll take all your information. Everything's correct. I'm issue a citation for headlight requirements, alter suspension, window tint. I need your signature here. Now, another two. Sign the citation, not to be that you're guilty. Just being you're receiving a copy. If you feel that you're not guilty, I encourage you to come to court.
Oh, I'll be
Window tints is not illegal. Bring your vehicle
Can
to
you
court.
come to court with me?
Oh, I'll be there.
You'll be there?
I sure
What
will.
about you? You'll be there too?
Yes.
All right. Sounds good to me.
You gotta sign up too.
Bro, is that the same what's in Diesel Cop?
Yep, this is him.
Make sure you turn that phone off. We got it on the bracket.
I had to go get this shit figured out.
Golly, boy.
He said my headlights were 56 inches, and I measured them at home the other day, and they're 54 inches, which is on the dot legal.
Did you get out to make sure there was 54 inches or 56
No,
inches?
he wouldn't let me. He wouldn't let me get out.
Yep.
Mr. Smith, checked all your information, issue your citation. You can see right. Don't snatch your pants,
Website Romeo Victor Charlie 6910 RV6
You ain't got nothing else better to do.
We at PPC Powder Coating. Make sure you follow PPC Powder Coating on Instagram at Powder Coating. It's right here down below. We are powder coating my lift today. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. We're gonna spray some samples. We're gonna get everything done today. I apologize for the sandblast in the background, but y'all, I'm here at the powder coat shop. But we're about to get right to the deal, so I guess I'll start by throwing y'all into a montage.
Today's the day.
Today to day. About to go ahead and get this thing sprayed, y'all. I already see what it's gonna look like. You think it's gonna look good?
Oh yeah.
So I was gonna do 14 in the front with 7 in the back, but now I think I'm gonna do just 12 and then nothing in the back like that. That sound better?
Yeah.
Still crazy though, huh?
It's still crazy.
I know I'm not gonna be able to see, but it's a show truck. I don't drive it every day. We're gonna go from there. I wanna see what it's gonna look like, y'all. And I forgot to tell y'all, I am doing bags. I'm gonna order them this week, so just stay tuned for that, cause hey, it's coming, y'all, it's coming. This is the moment of truth where we're about to powder coat the lift kit. You see we got most of the stuff right here. Some stuff still getting sandblasted, but we're about to spray gold first. Then we're gonna go ahead and spray the red. When I first traded lift kit, these Street Performance struts came with it. As you can see right here, I don't know if you get a good look at it, but this is stripped right here, so we can't run with this one. Then I brought these two. When I brought these two, only one of them were good, which I was saying earlier. This one is good and this one is bad, so we can't use this bad one right here. Then I found my guy on Instagram that was selling one side of his, and I got a good side. So that's the whole story about the struts. I don't want to confuse nobody. I told everybody I was gonna do gold and red, but I'm really going with pink and blue. You see right here, got the pink, got the blue. We get ready to spray this lift, y'all.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why.
Alright guys, so me and Steven had to order some extended brake lines for us for our lift kits. And I got mine and he got his, so let's go to open this box, alright? Christmas time, let's open it. Alright, hold on, wait, let's see which one better. Let me see which one better. Bro, yours honestly look better packaging, bro. Hold up, bro, it look like they gave you more washes than mine. What you doing?
Gonna try to crack them open. We're gonna put them in at 235 for 8 minutes.
You can't just put that in there, it's gonna melt.
Alright, let's see.
How much were those tail lights?
250, 300.
Boy, you gonna be mad if you messed them
I
up.
know.
Brennan, your headlights, bro. Go and let them burn.
Brennan,
Go
you know
check
that-
at least. Go check at least.
600 degrees. What's wrong with you?
It's getting hot?
Yeah, a little bit.
Whoa! Now why would you do that?
I thought that's what you were supposed to do.
No.
Nothing a little glue will.
Bro, you thought you could just, bro, come on now. Golly, good job.
Glue right there.
Huh?
Perfect. SEMA build ready.
SEMA bill ready?
Back to new. Might as well just toss them in the trash.
Nobody was
Okay.
gonna know about it until we reviewed it to 30,000 viewers. It's okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
A rock hit it. Came like that from shipping.
Yeah.
That's what it was. Alright guys, so this is the first coat before it go gold. So as you see right now, it is silver. That look good, I like that. But now I'm about to go ahead and spray the gold on there. Let's see what the lift kit look like.
It's a little windy from all the...
A little windy. It may be a bad echo, but this is my lift right here. We sprayed it gold yesterday, but we're gonna respray it to make it look even better. So we're gonna sandblast it. I'm about to step outside. He about to get to work, and I'm gonna go back out here. All right, guys, I had to stop the powder coat scenes for just a second. Now, I'm not a Jeep type of guy, but after seeing this Jeep right here, I just have to show y'all. I'm not a big fan of Jeeps, but y'all, this one right here, I have to show y'all this Jeep, y'all. This thing is so nice.
So the engine's it's a 5.9 out of a 99 Dodge truck, and that's the whole computer system, everything that runs it. It was cut here. I made the bed, stretched the frame.
Oh my God.
I don't have a top made for it yet.
You said it's a 97?
Yeah.
This thing looks really good. All the bushings and everything look brand new.
They powder coated the bumpers for me. I made the bumpers.
Yeah.
It's got a button right here.
What in the world?
It's cut here. It was welded back together. Then it's got this patch on there to give it strength.
You did the work by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing.
So you can see where the fish plate goes. They call it a fish plate. Goes on the whole length of it.
Alright, y'all, so y'all know with the upper control arms, with this plate right here, it caused like a thing of glue. I don't know. They just put glue right here after you take it off. So I'm about to have him go ahead and sand it out. Go ahead and sand it out. Let me see. And as you see right there, it's all grinding down, smooth. Now it's about to get powder, y'all. This thing gonna look good. How long that take?
Just for these, about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Not too bad.
Golly. It's about to go get sprayed now. Yes, sir. What do you say? Cheese! I think that is definitely gonna look good. After looking at that, I can't wait for it to come out, y'all. That's gonna look so good. All right, y'all, so this is the moment of truth. When she opened up this oven, the lift kit will be coming out. We gotta see this. You ready?
Cut.
Cut. Jesus Christ, man. That looks so good. What you think?
Looks sick.
What you think? Look good?
Looks good.
Y'all, this thing looks so good. Look at this color, y'all. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. It looks really nice. Look nice, don't it?
It's pretty.
Yeah, I like this. I swear, looking at this and looking at the sample, they're not the same. You have to put it on an actual lift to find out the real color. This literally looked like a car just came out the booth, y'all.
We just did a blue like a couple days ago, and I loved it. But this is, I like this a lot.
This your favorite color now?
Yeah,
this one nice. Oh my God. Golly. You had to cut your hair?
No.
How'd you get it out?
I just did it backwards
How long did it take you to get it out?
for like 10 minutes.
Oh my God. All right, y'all, so about to put a second rack out. See how this thing looks. I highly recommend, I don't want to say this, but I highly recommend everybody to get this color. I don't want to say this, but I highly recommend everyone to get this color because it's like, you can't go wrong with it. It's the best colors you can ever get. Thank you to Steven, because Steven definitely sent me both of these colors. He told me to run them colors, and I did, and I'm highly satisfied with it. So, big thanks to Steven, because if it wasn't for him, I would never chose these colors. I got the 10 out of 10 wings again. She eating her wings with a fork again. Where your food at?
In my stomach.
You did not eat all that. Bro, we wasn't here for literally 5 minutes.
Dude, I was hungry. I told you.
So look, I just want to show y'all something. If you be around me and you eat wings, wait before you do it, and you pour your ranch on a wing like this, do not come around me, because you're disrespecting the wings and you don't do that.
So you have the chicken wing and you have the ranch. And you take it, wait, because this one's almost done. Put it on the put it on the wing like that, and you get complete equal coverage around the whole chicken wing.
But yeah, y'all, we just got done eating. About to finish powder coating my lift. Gonna spray the gold now. This red looks so good, bro. I swear the camera don't do no justice. And the crazy part about this red, it has a little gold inside.
It's gonna look
good. Alright guys, as you can see, one of the coil springs is sprayed gold already. And this is the color gold I'm looking for. You see the sparkles in it as well. All the flakes. Looks so good.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me.
Alright guys, so we just got the gold all taped up. About to send it in the oven right now. We're not gonna put the gold in there just yet. We're gonna let it sit in there. Then we're gonna pull it back out and spray the gold and see how it looks. Why are you keep going there taking poops and missing for a whole hour?
anything to get out of work.
But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you.
We currently sit at a powder coat shop. It's 12:30 in the morning. You got my lift kit inside the oven right now. The gold is baking as we speak. I can't wait for it to come out. I know it's gonna look super, super good. We got the red done already. And then we're gonna finish it up on Monday and I'll reveal it. It's like the 4th day I've been here. I'm super tired now and it's 12:30, so hey. It's about to be time to go home in a minute because we got a ride tomorrow. So we got the gold out the oven. See all the flakes in it? This one is real flaky. We will be doing the front and the rear crossmember on Monday, only because it's 1 in the morning. So with that being said, we will resume on Monday. When y'all gonna close it out? Who gonna close it out? You gonna close it out?
I got it.
You gonna close it out? Alright. We'll see you guys on Monday. This is my upper control arm, man. This thing look like glass. They did so good on this, y'all. This is how the gold look like in daylight as well.